Hello everyone, this is Mateyena and I am back with another video. So in this video, I would like to answer the question about what products exactly did I use to grow my hairline. So many people are asking me exactly which product did I use to grow my hairline. And some people are getting upset about it. People are saying that you did this whole video, you didn't mention any product, especially in the video where I have like before and after of my hairline. And then the funny thing about those videos is the title does say hair transplant. So I don't know if something got lost in translation. I'm not sure, but it seems like I'm noticing that so many people are missing. I had like a video titled my 1-year hair transplant journey, which is like my most popular video on YouTube. It said my 1-year hair transplant journey, and people are still asking me which product did I use. I didn't mention any product in the video. I didn't mention any product in the description box. What product did I use? I'm not sharing the product I use. It's simply because I didn't use any product. I had a hair transplant. I had a surgical procedure where the hair was taken to the better part of my head called the donor area and then was transplanted to the front of my hairline, which took about a whole year to see results. I would love to sit here and sell you guys a good old product and make money, but I didn't use any products. I have no products to sell. I just had a hair transplant surgery. So I hope all of this answers all the questions, because it's a question that I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm not clear. I'm being clear in my videos. Just let me know. But I didn't use any product to grow my hair. I had a surgical procedure called a hair transplant to grow my thinning hairline. I hope this video answers that questions. Leave all your other questions and comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.